Hello Hobbiters! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Hobbiter Ralph, and for today, we are going to deal with this extra math challenge question. And our question for today is, what is the numerical value of the square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 2 minus square root of 3? Okay, so to solve this problem, we are going to use the concept of algebra. First, we are going to let this expression, square root of 2 plus square root of 3 as A, and this expression, square root of 2 minus square root of 3 as B. So we have A is equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 3. And also we have B is equal to square root of 2 minus square root of 3. And to eliminate this square root sign, we are going to square A and this expression, and also B, we are going to square B and this expression. So we have, if we are going to square this, we have A squared, and if we are going to square square root of 2 plus square root of 3, the square root sign will be eliminated. So what is left is 2 plus square root of 3. And also, this is equal to B squared is equal to 2 minus square root of 3. Okay, now we have already solved the numerical values of A squared and B squared. And we can also solve the numerical value of AB. So we have AB is equal to, remember that AB, that is the product of A and B. So since our A is equal to the square root of 2 plus square root of 3, and our B is equal to square root of 2 minus square root of 3, and the two expressions have the same index, so we can directly multiply the numbers inside the radical sign. So we have square root of 2 plus square root of 3 multiplied by 2 minus square root of 3. And as you can see, this expression is an example of a product of a sum and difference. And remember that the result of a product and difference is a difference of two squares. For example, we have A plus B times A minus B. This is an example of a product of a sum and difference. And remember that this is equal to A squared minus B squared. And A squared minus B squared is the difference of two squares. So that means this is equal to the square root of 2 squared minus square root of 3 squared. And this is equal to, that is equal to square root of 4 minus 3, which is equivalent to 1. That means the numerical value of AB is equal to 1. So we have already solved the values of the square root, the values of A squared, B squared, and also for AB. And remember that our goal is to solve for the value of A plus B, because this is our A and this is our B. So our goal is to solve the value of A plus B. Okay. So if you want to copy this solution, you can pause the video. Okay, so let's erase this. Okay, remember that AB is equal to 1. And our A squared is equal to 2 plus square root of 3, and B squared is equal to 2 minus the square root of 3. And in order for us to solve the value of A plus B, we can use the algebraic identity A plus B squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus b squared. Yan. So, a squared is equal to 2 plus square root of 3, and b squared is equal to 2 minus square root of 3, and ab is equal to 1. So we can now substitute the values of a squared, ab, and b squared to solve the value of a plus b. So we have a plus b squared is equal to 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 minus square root of 3. So we have a plus b squared is equal to 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2 plus 2 minus square root of 3. And square root of 3 and negative square root of 3 will be cancelled out, because if you are going to add square root of 3 and negative square root of 3, that is equal to 0. So what is left is 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that is equal to 6. And to get the value of a plus b, we are going to take the square root of this expression and the square root of 6. So we have a plus b is equal to positive negative square root of 6. But since, let's go back to the problem. 2 plus square root of 3, that is equal to a positive number. If you are going to use calculator, that is equal to 3 point something. And this expression, square root of 2, 2 minus square root of 3, this is also positive because 2 is greater than square root of 3. That means if you're going to add positive and a positive number, the result is also a positive number. That means our answer for this problem is a positive number. So that means since we have two values of a plus b, we are going to take the positive result. So that means a plus b is equal to square root of 6. And square root of 6 is our final answer, or this is the numerical value of this expression, square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Yan. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, the Hobbiters on Extra Math Challenge, Math Goes Beyond. And please follow these following Facebook pages: the Hobbiters on Extra Math Challenge, Math Goes Beyond, and Assistant and German Academy. Again, I am Hobbiter Ralph. See you on our next math tutorial video. That's all for today. God bless us all. Stay negative sa COVID.